Welcome to GBS Analytics Hub. This channel is dedicated to one thing: helping global business services and shared services professionals use data, analytics, and process excellence to make better decisions faster. In every video, I will walk you through practical Power BI dashboards, KPI frameworks, and process improvement concepts. Built specifically for finance, HR, procurement, and operations teams in GBS environments. In this first video, I am going to walk you through a complete HR analytics dashboard built in Power BI. This is exactly the kind of reporting solution that replaces hours of manual Excel work with automated real-time insights, giving HR and business leaders instant visibility into their workforce data. Let us get started. Before we look at the dashboard, let me quickly show you the underlying data we are working with. This is a standard HR dataset containing employee information, including department, age, salary, job role, attrition status, performance rating, and years at company. This is the kind of data that exists in every organization, usually sitting in an HR system or exported into Excel files that someone manually updates every month. Our goal is to turn this raw data into a live interactive dashboard, one that answers the questions HR leaders ask every single day. Questions like, how many people do we have by department? Where is attrition highest? What is our salary distribution? Which roles have the longest tenure? Let us see how the dashboard answers all of these. The first thing you notice when you open this dashboard is the summary metrics at the top: total headcount, overall attrition rate, average salary, and average tenure, all visible at a glance without opening a single spreadsheet. This alone saves an HR manager significant time every week. Moving to the department breakdown, this bar chart shows headcount by department. You can immediately see which departments are largest and where your workforce is concentrated. But more importantly, Laura, when you click on any department, every other visual on the page filters automatically. This is the power of Power BI interactivity. One click and you instantly see the attrition rate, salary distribution, and performance profile for just that department. Now let us look at attrition analysis. This is typically the most important metric for any HR team. The attrition chart breaks down employee exits by department, age group, and job role, showing you exactly where you are losing people and why patterns might be emerging. For a GBS or shared services environment, this is critical. High attrition in specific process towers directly impacts service delivery and cost. Moving to the salary analysis section. This visual shows salary distribution across job levels and departments. It immediately highlights any anomalies, departments paying significantly above or below average, enabling data-driven compensation decisions. Finally, the tenure analysis, showing average years at company by department and role. Long tenure in some areas can indicate stability. Short tenure in others can signal engagement or career development issues that need attention. All of these insights that would previously take an HR analyst hours to compile manually are now available in seconds, and they update automatically every time the underlying data refreshes. So what decisions does a dashboard like this actually enable? First, targeted retention interventions. When you can see exactly which departments and roles have highest attrition, you can deploy retention programs where they are needed most, not everywhere. Second, workforce planning. Real-time headcount visibility by department enables accurate resource planning and hiring decisions. Third, compensation benchmarking. Salary distribution analysis enables HR to identify and address pay equity issues proactively. Fourth, performance management. Combining tenure, performance, and attrition data reveals patterns that help managers develop and retain their best people. This is what data-driven HR looks like in 2026. Not gut feel, not monthly reports compiled manually. Real-time insights available to every HR leader every single day. That is the HR analytics dashboard. A practical example of what automated Power BI reporting looks like for GBS and shared services teams. If your organization needs something similar, whether it is HR, finance, procurement, or operations reporting, I can build it for you. I offer a free first consultation, and the first dashboard is completely free, so there is no risk in reaching out. All my contact details and consulting services are linked in the description below. If you found this video useful, please subscribe to GBS Analytics Hub. I publish new Power BI tutorials and process excellence content every week. In the next video, I will walk you through a complete finance and P2P analytics dashboard, showing how accounts payable teams can replace manual invoice tracking with automated real-time reporting. See you there.